first, you have to send Mom out of the kitchen by ringing the bell or something else.
I'm coming!
Come on, go!
Now, you have to press play and pause while opening the fridge. Oh, I think I did it. But wait.
What?
Oh, Mom saw me. Let's try again. Please like my videos and subscribe to my channel.
Wait a minute!
Who bosses like that anyway?
But wait, I couldn't walk. I think I should sit.
Well, is it just me or...
And there is another me!
There are bees.
Jenna! Come here!
I forgot to bring spray with me.
There is the cabinet! Hey now! Come out! We'll have some tea with Kathy.
Come out!
You little brat.
Now, I cannot go back, so we will try again in the next episode.